Let's now move on and shift our focus to West Bengal. And West Bengal government has also issued order making Vande Mataram singing compulsory in all the madrasas of the state. Vande Mataram singing already was made compulsory for all the schools of West Bengal during morning prayers. Now, a similar order has been issued for all the madrasas as well. This is the big story that we are getting for you, and BJP in fact has also reacted. BJP has said Vande Mataram is the heartbeat of Bharat civilization and patriotism. West Bengal government under Shubhendu Adhikari has ordered all government-aided and recognized madrasas across the state to mandatorily sing Vande Mataram during morning assembly prayers with immediate effect. Hridita, my colleague, is joining us on the broadcast. More on this. Hridita, give us a sense of the political reactions you've got on this particular order by Shubhendu Adhikari government in West Bengal, making Vande Mataram singing mandatory for all madrasas as well.
Well, absolutely. You see, soon after the schools, all the government schools in Bengal, now we see that the madrasas are also instructed to have the assembly song as the national song, which is the Vande Mataram, and they are going to the students after the summer vacation now are going to come back to the schools and start with the assembly song as the national song with the Vande Mataram. However, we see a directive has also been issued by the madrasas here in West Bengal stating that all the recognized and the aided schools under madrasas under the government of West Bengal will now have to sing Vande Mataram, the national song, in their assembly prayer. So there is one side we see that there is no resistance as of now. We have been seeing that all the schools leaving the madrasas in Bengal would sing the Banglar Mati Banglar Jol, which was the Bishwa Bangla song in the Mamta regime. However, speaking about the Mamta's regime, we see Trinamool Congress have not officially reacted to it. Neither they have objected, neither they have agreed to it. There has been no reactions that have been coming in from the Trinamool Congress, but to the notice that we get to understand that even in this 15 years old regime, even though the madrasas did not have a compulsion to sing the state song or the national or the song under the Bishwa Bangla emblem of the Mamta regime of Banglar Mati Banglar Jol by Rabindranath Tagore, now there is a directive that the madrasa students will also be participating in this assembly song of Vande Mataram, and the students will be singing it along with the all students of the government schools of West Bengal are going to follow.
Stay on with us. In fact, reactions, at least from the Bharatiya Janata Party, have started pouring in. BJP netas are saying when Mamta Banerjee only stood for blatant communal appeasement, BJP government in West Bengal is doing everything fiercely patriotic. Let me go across to my colleague Amita joining us on the broadcast from the newsroom. Amita, take us through the reactions that have come in from the BJP.
Yes, Hina, as far as this notification that has been issued on part of the Shubhendu Sarkar, here is Prandeep Bhandari, the spokesperson of the BJP, saying that Vande Mataram is the heartbeat of Bharat civilization and patriotism, and West Bengal government under Shubhendu Da has ordered all government-aided and recognized madrasas across the state to mandatorily sing Vande Mataram during morning assembly prayers with immediate effect. When Mamata Banerjee only stood for blatant communal appeasement, BJP government in Bengal is doing everything fiercely patriotic. Why are secularists Mamata Banerjee, Rahul Gandhi, Akhilesh Yadav silent, and their silence in opposition exposes their rapid appeasement?
All right. Thank you very much for the moment for joining us with those details. We are joined on the broadcast by Riju Datta of the Trinamool Congress. Good morning. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. Your first reaction to this new order by Shubhendu Sarkar making Vande Mataram mandatory for all madrasas in the state?
First of all, a disclaimer, I am not part of Trinamool Congress anymore.
Okay.
I am suspended from the party, but I will say this, that I don't see any objection to Vande Mataram. It is patriotic. What is the objection to Vande Mataram, Bharat Mata ki Jai? Or if you don't want to say Jai Sri Ram, you can say Jai Siyapati Ramchandra ki Jai. There should not be any objection to it. Vande Mataram and Bharat Mata ki Jai are patriotic slogans. I think every Indian who resides in India, who calls himself an Indian, can say this with an open heart. If anyone objects to it, then there is question mark regarding on that person's patriotism or that political party's patriotism.
Okay, so you agree when BJP says when Mamta Banerjee only stood for blatant communal appeasement, BJP government in West Bengal is doing everything fiercely patriotic?
I will not comment on what Mamata Banerjee did or did not, but I will say that this is a welcome move that Vande Mataram should be used in every school, whether it is public, whether it is private, whether it is madrasa, and I don't think anybody should have an objection to it because it is a patriotic slogan, and as long as you identify yourself as an Indian, I don't think anybody should have an issue with it. If you have an issue with it, then whether you are patriotic Indian or not, that comes under the scanner.
All right, Riju Datta, appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now. So that was Riju Datta, political analyst, sharing his views on the latest order by Shubhendu Adhikari government in West Bengal, where, in fact, Vande Mataram has been made mandatory for all madrasas as well. We have Rahul Sinha of the BJP joining us on the broadcast too. Good morning, Mr. Rahul Sinha. Appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now. Can you tell us the rationale behind this new directive that has been issued by Shubhendu Adhikari government in West Bengal?
देखिए बात यही है जो वंदे मातरम मतलब भारत माता का वंदना, जो भारतीय नागरिक जिसका भाषा अलग हो सकता है, धर्म अलग हो सकता है, जाति अलग हो सकता है, लेकिन हमारा एक पहला परिचय है, हम सब भारतवासी, भारत माता का संतान। इसीलिए माता को वंदना करने का जो रीति वो पहले से था, वो थोड़ा बीच में कट गए थे, इसीलिए कट गए थे तो नाता भी कट जाते। इसीलिए कोई मदरसा के लिए नहीं, पूरा छात्र समाज भारत माता के लिए तैयार हो, भारत माता को अपना माता समझे, इसीलिए ही ऐसा जो चिंतन हम लोगों ने किया और ये पूरा समाज के लिए, देश का जनता के लिए, बंगाल का सारे जनता के लिए, नागरिक के लिए एक लाभदायक पदक्षेप है, मैं मानता हूँ।
जी, यहाँ पर ये ऑर्डर इशू किया गया है, वहीं तमिलनाडु में हम देख रहे हैं कंट्रोवर्सी खड़ी हो गई है एक बार फिर से वंदे मातरम और स्टेट सॉन्ग को, स्टेट एंथम को लेकर। All right, we've lost that line, but that was Rahul Sinha of the Bharatiya Janata Party. In fact, we have another political reaction coming in from the BJP. Listen in.
It's quite natural when the central government has decided that Vande Mataram will be given equal status to the Jan Man Gan in this 150 years of Vande Mataram. Every institution should follow this. It's not related with any religion, it's related with our freedom struggle. And Vande Mataram was the song of every person who has fought for Indian freedom.